Hello, my dear student. Today, I'm honored to present you my application, the aviation studies that I have created for you. So, in this application, we're going to store uh, our souvenirs and our knowledge to share to other people as well. So, in order to download this application, you can go to the Apple Store. First, at your mobile phone. I'm sorry, I just make it on the Apple application. But in the future, I also upload to the Google application for your downloading. And just download it. Download it from the Apple Store here. Press this and search Aviation Studies. Aviation Studies. Here. Aviation. Put on Aviation Studies and then search for that. And then when you see this icon, when you see this icon with the pink color, click and download it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. And this is the application. So we have 9 items. Firstly, is the aviations. That means I'm going to input all of the knowledge of the aviations subjects. So click in here. So you see there are many subjects in here, and we're going to update it. For example, first on the aviation law. So you will see little information with the necessary. So it's very brief information, so you can read on that. Right? Okay. And then we have a lecturer part. This is all of my lectures, both outside and both inside the classroom. So every time I give lectures, I will record it and input here, so you will have time to review or revise if you think it's necessary. So here we have so many videos, but it's not put here. So you, for example, click on that. You will see the lectures. This is the traveling public lectures. Okay, so click on that. You will see the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Aviation Talk in Vietnam delivered by Dr. Tai Binh from Vietnam Aviation Academy. Today we are going to talk about the traveling public lectures.
Okay, so we have also our lectures. For example, after aviation insurance, that we have lectures so far.
Và chúng ta đi đến mục 6 là thị trường bảo hiểm thế giới. Thì
Is it
nói
fun?
về cái nguồn gốc của thị trường.
And this is also your part, students. This is all of your presentation that you have done. Example, we click on that. We'll see máy bay Boeing 737 MAX 8 rơi tại Indonesia. See how you present here.
Dạ, xin chào cô và các bạn. Em là Thùy Linh. Hôm nay nhóm 8 chúng em sẽ trình về vụ tai nạn máy bay Boeing.
Okay, so in this item, you will have all of the slides, including the slide that I gave the lectures, and also your slides of presentation, all the subjects that you have learned with me. The slide you see, and when you click in here, It's okay. Do you see your slide? Okay, and you can also see the slides of your friends as well. Here. Okay, and then for this item, the ebook. All of the necessary and instruction-free ebook that I find interesting, so I will gather for you. You see, you can download the reports as well. And this is the report from the IATA. And for this item, this is the article from the scientific journals that they have published in the aviation industry. So you can also download it. Okay. And for the info here, so we will have the information about the airline industry, including the airports, airlines, captains, cabin crew, flight school, aircraft manufacturers, and passengers. For example, click on the airport, and here you will see the World Top Airport in 2020 that I have gathered the information, and this you will have very quick information when you need. And it's the fan wars, that the place that we share our interests together, or I'm going to tell you what happened in the airline industry. You see, and in this function, you can share your comments or share your photos as well. And this is the place for our communication. And last not but least, this is the movie section. All the movies, very interesting movie, and also the movies that we capture from our lectures also. For example, we have the Lloyd's Coffee House movie here.
This is the new face of London, whether or not you like it.
Or the movie about the aircraft. So, when you have interesting movie, please do not forget to send me the link so that we will input here to share the interest to many people as well. Yeah, so this is the application about the aviation studies, and that I'll prepare for you, and we will contribute together so that we can learn about the aviation every time and everywhere when we need. I hope that you like it and download it from the Apple Store and use it every day and communicate with me. Thank you, and I hope that will help you, and this is my pleasure to give you the application, and you will use it for free and nothing to pay for it. Thank you, and I hope to see you often through this application. Thank you, my dear student. Bye bye.